Hi friends, today we will see example sums from chapter 1. சரிங்களா example sums எல்லாத்தையும் பார்க்கலாம். So use Euclid's algorithm to find HCF of 4052 and 12576. So இந்த sums வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு work out பண்ணி காட்டுறேன். So please follow up. So 12576 and 4052 ஓட HCF எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். First you have to divide the bigger number with the smaller number 4052 சரியா. ஸோ இப்போது 3 times ஏன்னா 4000 12000 4 4s are 16000 வருது. let's take it up with 3000. so I mean like 3 4s are 12000 வரும். so 3 times 4052 is 12156. so the remainder is 420. so you can write it like this. இப்போது 12576 is equal to 4052 into 3 plus 420. so this becomes A now. so 4052 is equal to 420 into something is there. so I should be doing 4052 divided by 420. 420 into 10 is 4200 which is bigger than 4052. so 420 into 9 வந்து 3780. so the remainder is 272. so into 420 into 9 plus 272. so next I should be taking this as A and this as B. 420 is equal to 420 is equal to 272 into something. so 420 divided by 272. so it is 1 times or 272 வந்து remainder வந்து 148. so 272 into 1 plus 148. again this becomes A. so 272 is equal to 148 okay into 1. again remainder will be 124. okay so again this becomes A and this becomes B. so 148 is equal to 124 into 1 because 2 times is more. so again the remainder will be 24. okay if you divide 148 divided by 124 now 124. so 24 will be the remainder. so now again I will be taking 124 is equal to, so let's do it. so 124 divided by 24. so 5 times 124 is 120. so I will be getting 4 as the remainder. so 124 is equal to 24 into 5 plus 4. so 24 is exactly divisible by 24 is exactly divisible by 4. so 6 4s are 24. 4 into 6 is equal to 4 into 6, 6 4s are 24 plus R becomes 0. so we have to stop it when R becomes 0 and 4 is the HCF. so we will move on to the next question. Next question is like it's a very important question. They say show that every positive, that is example 2, show that every positive integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is the form of 2q plus 1 where q is a integer, okay, some integer. so they are asking we have to prove that every positive integer is either in the form of given integers 2q and every odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1. so positive even integer வந்து 2q ஆவும் odd integer வந்து 2q plus 1 ஆவும் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. so we'll say A is let the number be A be A. so B is equal to 2. so I can write A is equal to 2q plus R. so from Euclid's theorem we know R is either less than 2 but greater than or equal to 0. so R can take value R is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, R cannot be equal to 2. when R is equal to 0, A is equal to in the form 2q. when R is equal to 1, A is equal to 2q plus 1. so this is a even number, this is a odd number for all values of q, any value integer value of q. this is what they have asked. so that's what we have proved. Understand? so if A is in the form 2q then A is a even integer. also a positive integer can either be even or odd. therefore any positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Okay, so this is what they have said. So இவ்வளோதான் இந்த sum, ரொம்ப easy. For third sum போலாம். Show that any positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Okay, so it is always, in this case it's always a odd number. So let's see that this sum also. So they have asked the number should be of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So now a is b is equal to 4. So I can write a is equal to 4q plus r. Again r can be less than 4 but greater than or equal to 0. So r will take 0, 1, 2 and 3. When r is equal to 0, a is equal to 4q plus 0. When r is equal to 1, a is equal to 4q plus 1. When r is equal to 2, 4q plus 2. When r is equal to 3, a is equal to 4q plus 3. But if you see 4q plus 0 is not an odd number, because 4q is exactly divisible by 2. Again 4q plus 2 is also divisible by 2, right? When I take 4q plus 2, take 2 out, so 2q plus 1. So it is exactly divisible by 2. So these two numbers are even numbers. So 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are odd numbers. So that's what they have asked us to prove. Okay, so next we will see other sum. Next sum, example 4. Sweet seller has 420 kaju barfis and 130 badam barfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. What is the number that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? So what they have asked is, like, they have a sweet. She has some 420 kaju barfis and 130 badam barfis. She want to make into packets. She doesn't want to mix the barfis, but at the same time she has to, the number of barfis in the kaju packet and the number of barfis in the badam packet should be remaining the same, and number of packets should also be very less. நான் இப்போ தமிழில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். 420 காஜு பர்ஃபியும் 130 பாதாம் பர்ஃபியும் வச்சுருக்காங்க. இவங்க என்னென்னா எல்லா பேக்கெட்லேயும் ஈக்குவல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பர்ஃபீஸ் இருக்கணும், அது மாதிரி நம்பர் ஆஃப் பேக்கெட்ஸும் கம்மியாக இருக்கணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்குறாங்க. ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இஃப் ஐ ஹேவ் 420 காஜு பர்ஃபீஸ் அண்ட் 130 பாதாம் பர்ஃபீஸ், இஃப் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு புட் 1 பர்ஃபி இன் ஈச் பேக்கெட், அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ பேக்கெட்ஸ் இருக்கும்? 420 காஜு பர்ஃபி பேக்கெட் அண்ட் 130 பாதாம் பர்ஃபி பேக்கெட். பட் see the total number of packets, it will be 420 plus 130 packets, so which is not a very feasible idea. If I put 2 packets, okay, let's see, like let's work it out. So if I am going to put 2, okay, like 420 kaju barfi and 130 badam barfi. So if I put 2 in each packet, now, so 420 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 10, again 130 divided by 2, 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. So again it will be 210 plus 65 packets, 5 6 275 packets I will have in total. But the thing is, like, I have to have all these packets of kaju barfis and all these packets of badam barfis should have equal number of barfis in it, and the total number of packets should also be least. So that means we should have find the common factor for 130 and 420, right? So you know that from this itself we know 2 is a common factor, 5 is a common factor, but we should find the highest common factor, so that you know number of packets will be lowest. Highest common factor கண்டுபிடிச்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து number of packets வந்து total packets கம்மியாக இருக்கும், சரிங்களா? இல்லை ரெண்டு போட்டாலும் ஒன்று போட்டாலும் one condition is satisfy பண்ணும். ஒரு ரெண்டுத்துலேயும் ஈக்குவல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பர்ஃபீஸ் இருந்தாலும் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பேக்கெட்ஸ் கம்மியாக இருக்காது. ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு பி ஃபைண்டிங் த HCF கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், சரிங்களா? ஸோ இட் இஸ் 420. ஸோ ஹவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் HCF யூக்ளிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் 420 divided by 130. ஸோ 3 times are 390. So 30 is the remainder. So you will be writing 3 into 130 into 3 plus 30. This becomes A. So 130 divided by 30. So 4 30s are 120. So 10 is the remainder. So now we can write it as 130 is equal to 30 into 4 plus 10. So this becomes 30 is equal to 10 into 3, exactly divisible. So it becomes 0. So we have to stop it. So HCF is 10. So now she has to put 10 barfis in each packet. right? So she has a total of 420 divided by 10 is 42 packets of kaju barfi, and 130 divided by 10 is 13 packets of badam barfi. Okay, so then it becomes 55 packets. Now can you see that the number of packets have reduced drastically. Even if I put na 2 also, it was number was huge. It was like so many packets was there if I put 2 275. But now you see, can you see this, only 55 packets, and each was having the same number of burfis. சரிங்களா? So each packet same number of burfi இருக்கணும், number of packets கம்மியாக இருக்கணும். So hope you guys are able to follow it and understand. So இதோட முன்னாடி இருக்கிற basics, all these are previous basics videos and the thing I have given in the description link. In next class I will be solving all the exercise sums. Thank you. Have a great day.